What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get really free stuff in Roblox. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Also guys, join in my Roblox group. I leave you this link in description of video. I give Robux to my group members. First what you need to do guys, to get free stuff and items in Roblox, you need to go to Marketplace. When you open Marketplace you will see this stuff costs Robux. In this case I show you how to get free items for zero cost. Go here left and you will see here price, type here 0 and go here down also 0 and click go. And you will see here all the free stuff that you can get every time in your account. Find what you're interested on. When you find it like me, click on it and you will see here buy. Just click this buy and go get now. And you will see message you get free stuff and go here customize. Choose your new stuff. And you see guys, I have a new head. You can do this every time. Go back in Marketplace, go here and price, type here 0 and go down 0 and click go. Find what you want, click on it, go here on buy, click get now and go customize and click on your new stuff. You can do this again and again. You have much free stuff here for your account. Just search what you love. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helped you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and type me in comments. Are you happy because of this? I see you in the next video and bye guys.